Welcome back to Wild Taste Infusion Elite. Today we're breaking down a fast, flavorful classic, beef broccoli stir-fry. A simple dish built on technique, balance, and clean Asian-inspired flavors. This dish is all about contrast, tender beef, crisp broccoli, and a sauce that brings ginger, hoisin, and rice wine together. It's quick, it's savory, and it's perfect for weeknight cooking. We hope you're enjoying our channel and selection of dishes. If you are, please hit the like button and follow us each week. Beef broccoli is a true Asian American creation. Chinese immigrants adapted a traditional stir-fry made with gailan. Today we know it as Chinese broccoli, since it was not available at the time American broccoli was substituted. American broccoli was becoming popular thanks to Italian immigrants who started growing it here in the Americas. The technique stayed Chinese, the ingredients became American, and the dish evolved into the version we know today. Let's walk through the mise en place. 8 ounces of sliced beef, 8 ounces of broccoli, blanched for 1 minute to lock in color and crunch, minced ginger and a wedge of onion for aromatics, rice wine for deglazing, hoisin for body and sweetness, white pepper and sesame oil to finish, and of course, cooking oil for high-heat stir-frying. The marinade uses classic velveting ingredients: soy, rice wine, oil, and cornstarch. This combination tenderizes the beef and protects it during high-heat cooking. Refrigerate the meat in the marinade for 1 hour to let the texture fully develop. Start with a hot wok and a quick sear. Cook the beef only until it changes color. That keeps it tender. Next, ginger for fragrance, then onion for sweetness. Add rice wine to sizzle and lift the fond. Broccoli and hoisin go in next, coating everything evenly. Return the beef, finish with white pepper and sesame oil, and the dish is ready to serve. A simple, balanced stir-fry built on clean technique. Tender beef, crisp broccoli, and a sauce that brings everything together. This dish cooks quickly, so your mise en place is essential here. Prepared in advance to toss in and complete the dish in minutes for your family to enjoy. This is beef broccoli wild taste infusion elite style. Quick and easy. We appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and come back next week. New dishes, new techniques, and always something delicious.